It's your girl Stiff Breast, and I'm back with another vlog. Today what I'm gonna do, I am going to show you how to look about our roots. Yes. So from the basic, me strip it off, me put in a little water, we go and soak off. Yes. So see there? Good arrowroot. So me I go grate this now, and I gotta take it from basis, guys. May I say what? Alright, guys, yes. So me I gonna start grate like arrowroot now. So real arrowroot with the man them back. Yeah. Just leave me up if you want arrowroot porridge. Good for every little complaint, guys. Especially your back. And it's good for low sperm count. Any man sperm count low, you can do it. But me just love arrowroot on a different basis. I don't know. What can I jump? Can I eat? Come, show you guys in. See it? You have a lot of arrowroot, so you can serve me for all long. I always supply people with arrowroot, guys. Stiff breast know me auntie dead and gone show me how to make arrowroot one time. And me just get it. So I know my granny show me how to do it. Good arrowroot, guys. So you have one grater and the sun there. So I will get back to you guys. So see the last of it. Last of the arrowroot. No. Finished part now. Rhyme, pass the block. Jogging him. No, bucket they give me that. Not that. Only phone to your orange. So, this is how we do the good arrowroot. Young girls, them don't know nothing about arrowroot, but Kelly and Natrice, they're watching me. Watch this, guys. I saw the last. So this is a good arrowroot for the man them with sperm count low and then work hard them giant chuck. See it? Pig now with them. Pig with them. So yeah.
So much one day after training?
Yeah, so me I go. Show you the bucket. Is that rough enough? Mr. Boba show me this one time. Oh, do this at one time. Me say me no blame him. So, me love already renegade.
Oh no, you should have used his trainer.
No, me have to take off some of this first, the thick part. Mm. I have to take out some of it first, then me use it. Enough people use the water, you know. The water and make juice, you know, with water or something. Can use the water and make oat juice. Yeah. Because the water good same way, but me not really want it, me not make up no, me not make no juice, and I just the porridge me want. Father God, it up yourself if you go this other holla today, you see. Me not laugh, me take it down.
If it did, I laugh for.
What? You think a boy fi greater than me? You done a holla today up. When me do a holla today. You go see this as me and I know when me spend much time do.
I need that.
Rhyme, come.
No, put the walk up there now and then go make it do a dash right.
No, sir. See, I'm in here. Oh, see.
See, I'm promoting right now.
So this the first training. And I go straight back in there. Watch out. Look this, upon this. Secretary segment up already, you know. Make it a make her in. See, and then you see that so? Secretary segment upon the top.
Oh, so that's why you have to get out the part the first.
I see. Secretary security. So I'm telling you that take up the hard part first. This chain out here. This.
Come here!
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Let's see me a show off it here. You see it? This is the arrawroot. See it? Pretty. So this for dry now. So guys, this is the end of how to make your arrawroot. Yes guys. The water I just throw because I use it and make mixed juice, but I don't really use the water, I just do porridge. So I hope you learned something from this video guys. Yes, so remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I'm out.